Welcome to Ecosystem Vitality Water Quantity. In this video, we will be looking at how to add data for the sub-indicators of water quantity, flow deviation, and groundwater storage. For flow deviation, if you have compiled data in the form of an Excel time series, you can import it to the FHI toolbox with the top right corner button here. The mock data used will be DVNF mock data. The data will appear on the left here. Click here to edit the data for one instance. On this window, the column for regulated flow contains the monthly flow data under current conditions. The column for unregulated flow contains the monthly flow data under natural conditions. Click Add Timestamp to add one instance, and click Add Full Year to add 12 instances for a year. Click OK once you are done. That is all for flow deviation. Next, we move on to groundwater storage. Key in the area of groundwater present in the basin under Basin Area, and the affected area of groundwater depletion in the basin under Affected Area. That is all for water quantity. Thank you and see you again.